Hi, my dear friends. I hope you all are doing fine. As so many people are asking how to we take the 20 tester service for the our new app. So for the 20 tester service, just go in our website, that is Reset Infotech, and go in here. This is page 20 testers. Go here, and you can see that this is our services of the 20 tester services, and here you can see the video. As I kept the ad blocker, you can't able to see the videos. So for this, then you have to go here, then you can see able to see our prices and everything. Here will be our prices. So you can do the 20 tester. As you can see, this is our customers who has taken the 20 tester services right now. So here all the things, whatever the information you need, you can able to find. So as you can see, we provide the 20 tested services. Whoever need our 20 tested services, so you can just come and you can take it out, or you can contact to us in the call or WhatsApp also, in the contact details also. And we have been before that we used to give the all mail IDs, but right now we have been changed one service. So right now we will going to give you the mail ID, and in the video's description also I'm posting the mail ID also. You can able to see the mail ID. So whoever need the 20 tester service, let us know. So we will give you the email ID, or you can able to add our email ID also. So how you can able to add the email IDs, the not like a CSV file, only single mail. So just go in the your app, whichever app you are publishing, go in the closer testers, and go in the closer testers, and go in the testers. So this is our file which we have been uploaded, the CSV file. But if you want only the single mail, so just go in the group, just click it on group and paste it your mail ID, and just save it off. So then your email ID will going to work. This mail ID I'm just posting off. Whoever want the 20 tester service, first take the email IDs and deploy it. When your app has been completed in the review, you can come and you can able to see that. You can tell us, you can make the payment, so we will able to install your application. Just provide us the two links of here. You can see there is a join the Android link and the web link. We need these both links, so you can post us to our WhatsApp, or you can call us. You can guide, if you need, you can, we can give you the guide also. Please let us know if you need a 20 tester service. You can able to get it the best service for you. So whenever you need any kind of services, let us know, so we can able to help you out. Okay.